So a lot of people have been asking what kind of issues the bolts are causing and what the point of the bolt kit is. So let me try and show you if I can. So this is the stock bolt that goes right here. So if I put that in there, you can see the shank of the bolt ends at least 1/4 inch before this side, which is not how it's supposed to be lengthwise. But also the shank is too small here, which allows this bolt to be able to move back and forth a lot. Like a little bit is fine, but that's a lot of movement. So here's the bolt that we put in there and what it's supposed to look like. So see how the shank goes all into this side of this tab? So that way you have nothing but smooth, solid surface on your suspension. See that? Just a tiny bit of movement on this side. Just a tiny bit. That's the issue you're going to see when you have a bolt. When you have a bolt that's doing this the whole time, these holes are going to be oblonged out towards the sides, which is going to create play in your suspension, which is going to create a giant clunking sound. So that's the reason why we made this kit.